Hey there, welcome again. My name is Younes, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about string concatenation in Kotlin. We'll learn something called Kotlin string templates. Alright, so let's get started. As you may already know that we can concatenate strings simply by adding the plus. Let's say hello, and you have something else like 15. You can do this concatenation and it will work simply. Okay? Now in Kotlin, you have something else, something more powerful. You can create a variable here. Let's name it a number. Let's give it a type. Let's give it a number like that. You can do that, or of course, run it. It will work. Great. And now you can see this hint. If you run Alt with Enter, it will say convert concatenation to templates. What does it mean? It means that if you do it automatically, Alt Enter and convert it, it will create a $sign with a number variable. Okay, so this dollar mean to replace the actual. If we delete the dollar and print Kotlin hello number, it will say hello number. But if we precede it with a $sign, like that, it will take the value of that number and replace it. Now you can do something else. You can create another variable. Let's create a variable called hola, and let's contain hello again. You can also concatenate that like that with the plus sign hola, or we can do the concatenation with string templates like that, $sign and hola. Okay, you can even add something in between them like hola number, like a comma here, and it will work just fine. This is somehow concise and readable and clean, okay, in contrast to the plus signs. Okay, I think this is available also in JavaScript. Okay, so I hope you learned what is string template in this video. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.